Navigating in-law dynamics, how to handle in-law issues in marriage. Navigating the relationship with in-laws is one of the most common yet complex challenges in marriage. While marriage is a bond between two people, it also often comes with an extended family. When managed with care, these relationships can enrich a marriage, but if handled poorly, they can lead to misunderstandings, tension, and emotional distress. To handle in-law issues effectively, it's essential to approach these relationships with a blend of empathy, assertiveness, and open communication. Establish boundaries early. One of the first steps in creating a healthy relationship with in-laws is establishing boundaries. Setting clear boundaries can prevent over-involvement and help both partners feel respected. This might mean deciding how often to visit, defining expectations for family gatherings, or discussing privacy. When couples create boundaries together, it strengthens their unity, showing that they are a team. Communicating these boundaries respectfully to in-laws, however, is crucial. The message should convey that these limits are designed not to push anyone away but to allow the marriage to flourish. Prioritize your spouse's feelings. In any disagreement with in-laws, it's vital to remember that your spouse may feel torn between loyalty to their parents and loyalty to you. Taking the time to understand your spouse's perspective and validating their feelings can help them feel supported. Avoid putting them in a position where they have to choose sides. This can reduce tension and create a cooperative environment. Expressing understanding of their relationship with their family shows that you respect the people they love, even when there are differences in opinion or behavior. Support your spouse by listening without judgment, offering empathy, and working together toward solutions. Communicate directly but respectfully. Clear communication is essential in any relationship, especially in family dynamics. Instead of relying on your spouse to relay messages or frustrations to their parents, consider communicating directly. By addressing issues personally, you avoid putting your spouse in the middle, which can prevent misunderstandings. When bringing up concerns, focus on how specific actions affect you rather than assigning blame. For example, instead of saying, "Your mother is always interfering," try expressing, "When family members offer advice without asking, it makes me feel pressured." Approaching in-laws with respect while conveying your boundaries and needs can help foster mutual understanding and avoid feelings of resentment. Practice empathy and understanding. Remember, in-laws come from a different generation with their own values, beliefs, and experiences. Their intentions are often rooted in wanting the best for their child, even if their approach seems invasive or outdated. Practicing empathy can help you see things from their perspective, making it easier to handle conflicts calmly. Empathy doesn't mean agreeing with everything but rather recognizing their intentions. Building empathy can help transform potentially challenging situations into opportunities for connection and understanding. Present a united front. One of the keys to handling in-law issues is presenting a united front with your spouse. Agree on the things that are non-negotiable and back each other up during family interactions. If one partner feels unsupported or isolated in front of in-laws, it can create division and breed resentment. When couples show that they are a solid team, it helps in-laws understand that they are dealing with a cohesive unit. This united front can subtly encourage respect from in-laws, helping them realize that the couple's bond is strong and should be respected. Choose your battles wisely. Not every disagreement with in-laws requires a confrontation. Sometimes, it's better to let minor issues go, especially if they don't impact the relationship or marriage significantly. Determine what's worth addressing and what can be tolerated or ignored. For example, if an in-law makes a comment about a household decision, it may be best to brush it off rather than escalate the situation. By choosing battles wisely, you preserve your peace of mind and maintain family harmony, ensuring that only meaningful issues get the attention they deserve. Seek professional guidance if necessary. Sometimes, in-law issues become particularly challenging or sensitive, especially if boundaries are consistently ignored or if there's unresolved conflict. In such cases, it may be beneficial to seek professional guidance. A family therapist or counselor can provide tools to handle difficult dynamics, help each partner understand each other's perspectives, and foster healthier relationships. Therapy can be particularly helpful if either partner feels pressured, or if communication has broken down between the couple or with the in-laws. Foster appreciation and positivity. Building a positive relationship with in-laws also involves appreciating their role in your spouse's life and, where possible, finding ways to connect. Taking the time to express gratitude for small gestures or acknowledging their efforts can create a foundation of goodwill. Finding shared interests or spending quality time together can also help strengthen bonds and reduce friction. A little positivity can go a long way in smoothing over rough patches, making it easier to handle differences when they arise. By establishing boundaries, fostering open communication, practicing empathy, and working as a team, couples can successfully navigate the challenges that in-law relationships may present. Handling in-law issues with care and respect strengthens not only the marriage but also the broader family dynamics, laying the foundation for long-lasting harmony and understanding.